This time on Rock Up Racing. The team presses on with preparations to get their second-generation Chevy Camaro race ready for June 2025. After countless hours spent sanding down the body and inspecting the panels, it became clear that the original parts are far too deteriorated to work with. With no other option, they made the call to mail order an entire set of body panels for the Camaro. Now the anxious team's eyes are on the shipment, traveling 5,000 miles in nothing but cardboard boxes. Welcome to Rock Up Racing.
Hello and welcome back to Rock Up Racing. You've probably got a couple of questions. Why am I on the side of the road? I can't answer that. I just wanted some better light because the sun's going down. Where's Charlie? Charlie and Rob are in currently having some well-earned time away. And it's now 6 o'clock PM, obviously the sun's going down, and I've had a very exciting delivery. Just arrived at our second unit, which is just over there. So I'm going to head inside now and show you guys what we have. 16 boxes, and they are full of Camaro panels, which is going to allow us to start making molds to make carbon parts for that car and really get the project underway. So without any further ado, I'm going to get in there. I'm going to film the unboxing process. I'm quite hungry, so I don't want to take too long doing this, but I'm going to try and do a really good job of not getting run over and getting a good video in for you guys for an upload on Friday, and you guys can see what we have bought all the way from America. It's taken quite a number of weeks to get them over, but yeah, exciting stuff. So there we have it, 16 boxes, not including this. This is a lift which is going to be going around about here somewhere for the Camaro, but I'm going to start unboxing these so we can see what's inside them. Lots of different sizes, lots of different parts.
Many interesting and important things have been put into boxes over the years. Textiles, other boxes, even
Chevy parts.
Do any of these boxes have candy in them?
No.
Will they ever?
No, we only make boxes the
Chevy parts.
So, box one. Let's have a look and see what we have in here.
Yay!
This is probably incredibly painful to watch, so I'm going to speed it up. I'm going to get a time lapse going, get me unboxing all of them, and then I will go through one by one and show you what we have. And there we have it. By magic, everything is unboxed. So we have a huge amount of panels, as you can see. We've got some filler panels, we've got some front wings, rear bumper, surround, obviously the bonnet, or the hood, as they say in America. The radiator surround, some chrome bits, some front end bits, and some door skins as well. And a couple of filler bits, I don't know what they're called now. Let's have a little look. They are front bumper chrome bits as well, so that's so exciting. Means we can finally get started with this properly now, and replace all the bits that need replacing, and start making some carbon parts too. First job will be getting rid of all the cardboard, I think. It's going to be quite a lot of runs to the recycling centre, I think, there, but thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I can't imagine I'll be in front of the camera again anytime soon when Charlie watches this back, but it's better than nothing. Shows what we have now. and you guys can start to look forward to watching us finally, as I say, start to build this thing. Thanks for watching. See you next week.